20 years ago, REC started with a simple idea that every student deserves a place to belong after the school day ends. What began as an idea became REC. And over the last 20 years, that idea has grown into something far bigger than an after-school program.
Me and my mom were just the only people in our household, so single-parent household. And I was in elementary school when I first started at REC. And so it gave me a good foundation to actually have some type of schedule and stability and friends that I was able to talk with.
I came to REC at the almost very beginning as a friend of Joy and Mary's.
When I first went to REC, I was probably in first grade, elementary school. I don't exactly remember, but all I remember was my mom telling me, "You have to go, they're gonna help you with your homework."
I have always believed that education is the means to solving societal woes. I know that's idealistic, but at the same time I'm a big believer in the importance of education for a society's health. And so I totally believed in what they were doing and was happy to volunteer.
I was excited to go to school so that it could end, so then I could go to REC. When I didn't go to school because I was sick, I was just upset that I couldn't go to REC afterwards. It was something that I could look forward to, even if it meant that I had to get my homework done. I had snacks, I had friends, and I had people that just genuinely cared about me. And sure, it was their job as tutors, but it just didn't feel that way. It was just a place that I could be myself.
Yeah, I just feel like everyone at REC had an impact on both of our lives, helping us academically and the social and the outside of work portion.
I remember my tutor, a middle school tutor at the time, Mary Beth. She helped me with I don't know, her way of teaching and helping with homework was really helpful, and you could see it in her personality. She genuinely wanted to help you, and I always remember her to this day. Yeah.
It was not just a program where you go and do academic work. It's more of a program where you go and do more group things and more family time. It's not just a program where you're going to go and learn and then go home. It's more a program where you're going to be around people that love you and take care of you.
What kept me coming back to REC while I was a tutor were the relationships that I had with the students, really getting to have fun with them and coach them and kind of lead them in a way.
I learned more about myself through REC and serving the students than I learned about the students. They challenged me in ways that I can't even describe. And in doing so and realizing the social setting that these kids came from, as well as the neighborhood that I grew up in, it became very important to me to live in such a way and conduct myself in such a way that I would be a model for those students.
Talking with parents, hearing their stories, hearing how very grateful they were for the work that we do, really made me understand that I'm just not providing a safe place for kids after school. It's so much more than that. I'm connecting with families. I'm giving their kids a safe place to be. I'm helping them socially, emotionally, with their academics, building relationships.
The thing I loved about REC was how many kids said to me, "I like going to school now because I get to go to REC after." So it's changing their lives. You maybe can't pick it all up exactly in data points, when you're doing but it made kids' lives better.
They were there, hey, gotta get in gear a little bit. You gotta do this, you gotta do that. So, and that was another thing that made REC different from just any other program. They're involved in your life 100%.
REC has stepped out of that window and said, we'll do what we should do and do it to the best of our ability and help these kids to be prosperous and grow as learners and as individuals.
They care about you, they want you to do good in school, and they want you to succeed, you know, further beyond school.
I think REC in the future is going to have more students because it's a program where it's going to help you grow a lot, how it helped me during my path. And it's going to show you that word of family and confidence and always being for each other. So I feel like it's definitely going to grow and have more opportunities to become a better program.
I would want to see REC with 20 years from now still having that same community that it provides.
What I hope REC never loses as it continues to grow is the mission and the vision that they have in place. It's desire to be an impact on our community here and serve the students and the families in the best way that we can.
When you support REC, you are supporting a whole community. You're supporting like the kids that are going to grow up to be our doctors one day, our teachers. So you're definitely doing more than just supporting just like one program. It's definitely, there's more meaning to that. So if you support REC, you're definitely supporting something that's like bigger than what you think it is.
As we look ahead, we know the next chapter matters just as much as the first. There are more students to support, more relationships to build, and more opportunities to create, and more futures to imagine. The story continues, and the next 20 years start now.